Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by opening Settings and going straight to Display, then Navigation bar. You do this because Layout lives in Display and must be active to change. Once there, select between buttons or gestures. Press each option to see the live preview so you know how it behaves. Make sure your phone has current updates and at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions. If you're ready, tap the option you want to modify, and we'll adjust behavior and order next. Now customize the chosen mode so navigation feels natural. If you picked buttons, change the order and enable extra back sensitivity for easier reach. This matters on large screens like the S23 Ultra. If you picked gestures, toggle gesture hints and tweak swipe sensitivity to reduce accidental triggers. You can also enable full screen gestures to maximize content area. Test by opening the Home and Recent apps to confirm behavior. Finish by confirming the new setup through basic tasks. Open apps, switch, and return home. If changes don't apply right away, restart the phone. This flushes temporary UI caches. If behavior is still off, reset navigation settings to default and reconfigure. This resolves most conflicts. Also check third-party launchers or accessibility apps that can block gestures. Disabling them temporarily isolates the problem. If you need one tip, reboot after any major UI tweak to ensure system-level changes take effect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.